Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hands low in Untitled Boxing Game. This method transforms your defensive game, allowing for superior head movement and unexpected counter opportunities. By keeping your hands lower than usual, you invite opponents to overcommit, creating critical openings for swift, powerful responses. It's a strategic shift, rewarding patience and precise timing, making you a very difficult target for most opponents to effectively pressure throughout the match. Achieving the low hand stance begins with a relaxed, balanced posture, ensuring your feet are roughly shoulder-width apart. Your hands should comfortably rest around waist or chest height, never glued tightly to your face. Maintain a slight forward lean from the hips. This helps with agility and enables quicker weight shifts. This relaxed but ready position is crucial for maximizing your movement and reaction time during an intense fight. With low hands, your primary defense becomes constant, fluid head movement. Slip and weave to make punches miss by inches, then immediately move off the center line. Employ subtle body leans and quick pivots to continuously present a shifting target, making it incredibly difficult for your opponent to land clean shots. This approach minimizes reliance on traditional blocks, prioritizing active spatial defense and intelligent footwork to control the distance. The low hands stance excels at creating counterpunching opportunities. Once you've evaded a punch, immediately respond with a crisp, short jab or a powerful hook. Use your opponent's forward momentum to amplify your own strikes, stepping into the punch for maximum impact. This open guard also provides excellent angles for unexpected uppercuts or devastating body shots, catching opponents off guard when they expect a different defensive posture. It truly turns defense into offense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.